Good morning. Today is Friday, January 17th, 2024 or 2025. I am here at Port 32 Marina, and this is Lasso the Moon. Before I show you the hull cleaning, I do want to let you know that down on the bottom of both pontoons, you do have a lot of paint chipping, and right now I am currently standing on bottom, and we are out here at the T-head. So I'm letting you know, it might be a little cloudy, but I'm going to try and get as good of a video as I can. Thank you for choosing ES Dive.